Today I'm going to teach you how to block time in your Outlook calendar. This is a really useful feature when you want to reserve specific time slots for focused work or personal activities without being interrupted by reminders or notifications. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app on your device. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the full range of Outlook features. Make sure you're signed in properly before moving forward, as you'll need access to your calendar settings. After your emails have loaded successfully, it's time to navigate to your calendar. Look towards the bottom left part of your screen where you'll find the calendar menu. You'll see a calendar icon there. Click on it to open your calendar view. This is where all your scheduled appointments, meetings, and events are displayed, giving you a clear overview of your schedule. Now that your calendar menu is open, blocking time is actually quite straightforward. Browse through your calendar and locate the specific appointment or time slot you want to block. This could be any scheduled event where you want to prevent interruptions. Once you've found it, click directly on that calendar appointment to select it. When you click on the appointment, hover your cursor over it and you'll notice the time details become visible. This shows you the exact timing and duration of the event. Now, look towards the top part of your screen where you'll find the Options section. Within this area, locate the Reminder drop-down menu. This is the key to blocking your time effectively. Click on the Reminder dropdown to open your options. From the list that appears, select None. By choosing this option, you're essentially telling Outlook not to send any reminders or notifications for this particular time block. This means the appointment time will now be blocked and reserved without any interruptions from alerts popping up on your screen or device. And there you have it. You've successfully blocked time in your Outlook calendar by removing reminders from your chosen appointment. This simple adjustment ensures you have dedicated, distraction-free time for whatever you need to focus on. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.